What was it? Why am I blinking right now? Okay, it was like a black Hollister hoodie, and then I had my hair half up, half down, and it was like slicked back, so the top part was slicked back, and then it was like up half, and then the bottom half was curl in the top part, and then I had it cropped a little bit, and then I had a polka dot tank top under, so like my stomach wouldn't be showing. And then I had jorts on, and then I wore the, how do you say the Vans? The school Vans. I had those on, the black and the white ones. So for the most part, I feel like I dressed myself pretty well. Oh, you're so sweet. Like, if you guys want, I can put a picture of what I wore to Fatty and A Boogie on my story thing. Okay. There's 2 big bags of Roman here. Lots of cans. There's 2 things of pine panelin in here, the bigger jugs, and then I have 1 big jug that went in here. And then we added lots of extra bags, lots of cans, dish soap jugs, and then smaller dish soaps. Here's something. Okay, we're gonna do some dish soap bombs. So, don't mind me getting dish soap bomb ready. Ooh, okay. I'm just gonna pour it all in at once, so that way I don't have to keep lifting it up, because she will keep kind of heavy, guys. At first I was like, she's not even heavy, but she kind of is. We still have cans left. I think we have enough to do a can on each sponge if anyone wants to send for cans. And then we can save our cans, and then we can do our rinse. And then I'll see if I can do a real rinse for us. But if I do that, I need to plug these. Guys, if you don't have a swirly sponge from Soapy, what are you doing? This sponge literally helps me get all these freaking clumps out. Look at that. And she's super durable. She's so easy to squeeze once you break her in. I don't have any more bags of powder left. All I have is cans. I do have a YouTube. It's Clean With Me, but I don't know if you're gonna be able to find it. Yeah, and then once we sell the cans, we'll move on to our rinse. We'll save. And then we'll do a fake rinse with like more liquids and stuff. And then we're gonna have some liquids going into our rinse. So if you guys wanna add to that, they can. If anyone has anything that they want to send to me, G-boats. These are like, not sent to me, but like, if anyone has G-boats that they do not want, let me know. That's the only sponge I'll rebuy because I'm not allowed to buy any more sponges. So buying sponges that I know I'll use a lot is good. I love the G-boats. They're the best. They're perfect for literally everything. Paste, liquid, soft scrub like this. Like, don't tell me you don't think that's amazing. Powder bombs, dish bombs, like literally everything. If you don't have a G sponge, what are you waiting for? Genuinely. If you want recycled cans, let me know. They are $1 each. The powder is unsifted, but I did add fresh cans to it, so she should be dried out. And then we also had let her dry out, so there's that. Okay. Are you ready? I would have to fill them up to do it. Just give me 1 second and I'll fill them up and then I'll let you know. Oh, I should have waited. me check how many recycled I have left. And then if anyone wants to sign for the last of the liquid, they can. Just let me know. Oh wait, we have these two liquids going in. LOL. They're right behind me. We just have one $6 pine vanillin left. And then two $7 things of dish soap.